Good morning to you all. How are you all? How was your stay whilst you're at home? I hope everybody is doing good. We thank God for giving us today. And as you're at home, you have to learn, you have to study, you have to take our books seriously. That's why this program or this online have been designed to you. So you are all welcome to class 2. Most of you, I heard that you are saying that you are afraid of Sedola. You are afraid of Sedola. No, I will not beat you. Don't put that thing in your mind that I will beat you. I will not beat anybody. But if you are not doing what's expected, and then the amateur will throw back a crap. So you are welcome to class 2. Class 2, we do subject teaching. Your class teacher will not teach you all the subjects. We have different teachers assigned to all the various subjects. So when you get to the turn of the teacher will come and teach you. After that, the teacher will go to the next class. You have A, B, and C. And since you are in class 1, you know how the schedule has been. I hope you are all doing great once again. Now, we are going to treat this subject as numeracy. 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 You are saying mathematics. That's the same thing. If you say mathematics, the same. Or lower primary, when we change the curriculum, now lower primary, you say that numeracy. So you see numeracy anywhere, it's not any other thing, but it's what? Mathematics. Mathematics. So I just want you to get your brain sharp, sit up right, and let's begin the lesson. I'll urge each and everyone, if you have bottle tops, you have counters, you have straw, you can bring it any time we are having mathematics, and it will facilitate our work. Okay, thank you. Now we are going to look at numbers. You have a number, numbers. Then another number is to be looking at counting. After counting, we're looking at representation. Have to represent a certain number, then cordiality, first, second, third, fourth. We have conducted or we have sat in an exam before. Someone will be first, be second, third, and fifth. So we are going to talk about number. So take numbers into consideration. Numbers into consideration. Another number is you look at skip counting forward and backwards to and from 100 or to 1,000. Skip count. Skip count. It's like we are standing at one particular place, then you jump. Then you jump. You jump. You jump. That one is a skip. Forward. So if you hear the word skip count forward. Skip count forward means you are adding up. You have skip count forward and skip count backwards. When you hear backwards, it means negative. You are subtracting. But when you hear forward, it means you are adding. So we'll be looking at skip count forward by twos, five, tens, and so on. But today we will limit ourselves to skip count forward by 2. Skip count forward by 2, which means if you have been given a number like 2, you add 2 to it. So 2 plus 2 get 4, 4 plus 2 get the next number. You get the next number that you are going to work on it. So we have some charts here. We have some charts here. The chart is from 1 up to 100. When we are in class 1, in people's book 1, we learned about counting up to 100. So we are going to use to this chart below to revise our counting from 1 to 100. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. You can also take it from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. As the lesson progresses, or as you are now come, you learn from 1 up to 1,000. 1 up to 1,000. Yes, some people are saying that, hey, no, 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 don't be afraid. It's just a number. It's just a number. I'll help you to know how to count from 1 up to 1,000 and how to write from 1 up to 1,000. So from here, I know that each and everyone can write from 1 up to 100. From 1 up to 100. That's what I've written. So I'll give you time for you to do what? You write from 1 up to 100. Let me go back again. I said today we are going to look at counting forward and backwards by 2s, 5 and 10s, 2 and from 1,000. But today we are going to lay our emphasis on skip counting forward by 2s, by 2, by 2s. So we have skip count forward by 2s. You have some method or some way that you can adapt to make your work so easy. So first, to skip count forward, I said it means you are adding up. So to skip count forward simply means to add. So despite any number that you are giving, skip count by 2, you add 2 to 2 to 2. So skip count forward. If you hear the word forward, it simply means what? Add. And also to skip count by 2, let's add to get the next number. To skip count by 2, add to get the next number. Example, add 2 to get the next number in the skip counting by 2. So you have example here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. You can add up. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. You keep on adding up because it's forward. You are adding up. You are adding up. We have some short, it's not an exercise, it's an example. It says fill in the missing number skip counting forward by 2. So we have 2 dash 6 dash 10 12 dash dash and 18 and dash. So in this case we have 2, so you have to add 2 to the 2 that you have there. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So the first So here you can see that the first answer here will be 4. 2 plus 2 will be 4. Then 4, that's 4. 4. Then you have 6. 6 plus 2, you get the next number here. 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, we have 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, we have 18. 18 plus 2, we have 20. Then come to the next one, 20. 20, the question is, or the instruction says you have to forward count by 2. So 20, you add 2 to it. So 20 plus 2 is what? 20, 21, 22. So here get 22. 22 plus 2, 22, 23, 24. We have 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 2, 28. 28 plus 2, we have 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. 34 plus 2, 36. 36 plus 2 is what? 38. So you keep on adding 2 to the number that you have been given. Here we have 40. 40 plus 2, we have 42. So let me ask you, 42 plus 2 give us what? 44. 44 plus 2, 46. 46 plus 2 will give us 48. 48 plus 2, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. 52 plus 2, 54. 54 plus 2, 56. 56 plus 2, 58. In that order. 60. Add 2 to 60. 62. You add 2 to 8. 64. Add 2 to 8. 66. Add 2 to 8. 68. Add 2 to 8. 70. Add 2 to 8. 72. Add 2 to 8. 74. Add 2 to 8. 76. Add 2 to 8. 78. Get to the next example. We have 82. 82. Add 2 to 8. 84. 84 plus 2. We have 82. 82 plus 2. 84. 84 plus 2. 86. 86 plus 2. 88. 88 plus 2. 90. 90 plus 2. 92. 92 plus 2. 94. 94 plus 2. 96. 96 plus 2. 98. That's how we add that. Then 98 plus 2, you get what? 100. So to skip count simply means addition. Skip count forward. Then we giving the number that you have to skip count by. If it's 2, then you keep on adding up the number that you have been given. If it's, for instance, you have the 2 here, it says skip count by 2. We have 2 here, so I'll add 2 to the 2. So I'll get 4. Now I have the 4. I'll add another 2 to it. I'll add addition. Yeah, count boom. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, then you have what? 20. 20. So that's what we'll talk about today. Since you are not in school, you are not going to do things plenty, bit in a bit, but we work more exercises. So we are going to talk about the forward, skip count forward by 2. We go to 5, then 10. But we're looking at numbers that are bigger up to 100 or up to 1000. Up to 1000. But here is below 100. So you have 2, then the highest one here is 100. You can go beyond from 100 to 120 to 200 to 300 to 400. But this is the rule. You just have to keep on adding. If it's 200 plus 2, 102 in that order.